Buddy, today I'm going to be showing you how to program a new transponder to a Toyota Kluger 2016 model. This vehicle carries a H chip, so you will need to order a Toy-H for this particular vehicle. You cannot clone this transponder chip. So first thing I'm going to show you is how to track down the immobilizer light or the security light in this vehicle. So with no keys inserted into the ignition, you've got to have a look around. So there's three places that it can be. One is your normal dash unit. Sometimes there will be the actual immobilizer or the actual security light in there. Sometimes they put it in the center console dash, but for this particular model, it's actually above the center console dash. As you can see, we have a flashing security light or transponder immobilizer light. So if we were to insert a working key and turn it to the on position, you will see the light will actually go out. So it's very important that you know where this light is, because during the programming procedure you have to wait for that light to actually distinguish. So the next step from there is going to be to plug your diagnostic tool in. So we have a OBDSTAR with the VCI interface. So plug that into your diagnostic port on this vehicle. The diagnostic port is directly beneath the steering column, kind of above the brake pedal. Once the diagnostics are plugged in, you should get a power light and a Bluetooth light, and both of them should be solid. We're going to put that out of the way. The next step is we're going to pick up the diagnostic tool and we're going to make sure we're on immobilizer setting, and then we're going to come through and have a look for Toyota. Select Toyota, the latest version. We're then going to select immobilizer and then select type 3 with H8A/8E. Now before I go any further, I'm just going to run you through the process of how I'm going to do this. You do need to be reasonably fast when programming a new immobilizer to the vehicle. So it's going to ask you to identify a master key for the vehicle, and then it's going to ask you to insert the master key and turn the key to the on position. So you cannot program more transponders to these vehicles without a master key. This particular one, we do have a master key. It's a black-headed remote key. All the valet or sub keys will have a grey head, and they normally will not have a remote part in it. So we're then going to hit USA. You're going to insert a key and turn it to the on position, and we're going to select add key. Now as soon as we select add key, I'm going to begin the process, so try and follow along with me. We're going to select add key. It's going to tell you that a master key is needed for the vehicle. We're going to select yes, insert program master key and turn to the on position, hit yes to continue. The light is going to go solid. It's going to ask us to insert the non-program key and leave in the off position. Once we've done that, the actual light should extinguish. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. It really does come down to the vehicle. Gonna leave the key in there for about a minute or so. So as you can see now, the immobilizer light has stopped flashing at us. So we're going to come back to the tablet now. As you can see, it says wait 60 seconds until anti-theft security light immobilizer light turns off. We're going to hit OK, and it's now saying that the process is complete. It's returned us to the main menu. So the next step would be to unplug your diagnostics, turn the key off, remove the key, insert the key back in and start the vehicle with the new transponder. As you can see, the vehicle starts and everything is program success. Normally advised, just to be sure as well, is check your original as well. Make sure that it still starts the vehicle too. And that's that one done. Thanks.